Hi, I am Yusuf from TE Comms and my roll number is 3118031. The problem statement of our project is car buying and selling website. The aim is to provide full-fledged environment for car buyers and sellers. As you can see, this is the home page of the website, which is made with the help of HTML and CSS and JavaScript languages. So, coming to the methodology, we have followed waterfall methodology by which we did analysis of required components required for the car buying and selling website. Then each member of our team designed templates of their own. Then we merge all the ideas of different template into one particular final template, and we move ahead for implementation part. And finally, we after implementation we then did the testing part, and result is on your screen. And after that, coming to technology, we have used Bootstrap, Font Awesome, and some HD images from different websites, and also HTML and CSS. So by using Bootstrap, we have created this navbar, which you can see have this logo of the company and all the different web pages pinned on the navbar. Additionally, we have used this drop down menu for the users to toggle between the new cars and the used cars web page. Okay, so moving ahead, we have got this jumbotron, which contains nice looking this image and the specification related to website. And other than that, we have created these cards for recent special offers of different cars. And also we have we have added this gallery, which is full of cars which are mostly liked by the clients. Then moving ahead, we have this carousel, which has recent reviews of all the members who visited this website and give their own opinion of this. After that, we have added the notification page for the website. Whoever subscribed to this website will get notified about the new cars, limited prices, uh, and all the different offers. At the last of the home page, we have this beautiful animated footer which has a logo and all the social media profiles of the company, including all the web pages of the website and the address and the phone number and the contact details. Here is the code of our website which we have created. So this is the head of the website, then body part. Here, this is the navbar part, which contains the logo, then all the links of the different web pages. Moving ahead, we have this jumbotron on which all the specifications of the website. And moving ahead, we have uh, this is all the car images for the gallery. As you can see, this is the review part, which is given by all the members visited our website. And this is the notification page, which is for notified by all the different offers and sales which is going on the website by the company. And finally, this is the footer, which contains this logo. This is the logo part, different social medias link, and this is the web pages. And lastly, we have this address and email ID.
Hello, my name is Faizan Kazi and my roll number is 31180339. My group comprises of 5 members. So these are the names and roll numbers of the members in my group. First is roll number 30, Khan Shahin Shakil. Roll number 31, Yusuf Ali Khan. Roll number 33, Masala Wala Murtaza. Roll number 34, Momin Umar. And lastly myself, Faizan Kazi. And to the aim for our WDL mini project is to create a car buying and selling website. So this is the link for our website. Now, and this is the main page of our website, as you can see. And then it has a sell page where the users can sell their car. Then new car. Here you can buy the new cars, and this is the used car where you can buy the used second-hand cars. And we have an about section where we included the name and roll number of our group members. And lastly, we have a contact page where the users can send their queries to us. Now coming to the methodology, we used waterfall methodology for making this website, in which first of all we decided the functionalities that we need, and then based on that each member created their wireframe. Then we selected the best wireframe, and each of us were allotted a web page to design. And after after verifying and reviewing all the stuffs, we integrated everything into one folder and uploaded it on GitHub. This website is uploaded on github.com using one of our friends GitHub account, uh, one of our group members account, Yusuf Khan. And the technologies we used for making this website is basic HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, which is CSS framework. And the web page I was given to make this website is sell car page. So this is the page that I made, and the code for this page is right here. So this is the HTML part. Okay. Here all the libraries and frameworks that we used are mentioned here. This is the font awesome libraries, and this is the bootstrap library, and this is a CSS style sheet that is used for styling this web page. This is the code for navbar, and this is the code for this cell web page, and lastly the code for footer. So let us first come to cell page, and this is basically a form. First of all, everything is residing inside a div tag, which have a class of cell page, and then we have another class, another div having class container and cell container, which includes everything right here. And inside that container we have one h2 tag, and next is this form tag. This form will take all the details of the car, like car model, bought in year, fuel type, etc. So as you can see, we have a label, and then an input to that entity. For example, this car model, and it has this input. This is a placeholder for car model, which is Mercedes-Benz. You have to enter the model here. So likewise, and this label and input are wrapped inside a div and given a class of form group. So this is done for every element except this one, which uh, every element has an input type text except for this file tag, which has a type of file, so that you can a user can upload their file by clicking here. You can upload the file or you can upload the images of the car. And lastly we have this form button. So this button is made using this is all the this color is given using a bootstrap. The success, it gives a green color after clicking. And then we have this footer. So this this footer contains these are the icons using font awesome library. These are the 4 5 icons we used, and all the links are right here in the list, ordered list, li tags. These are the list. And then the rest of the stuff of over here, the code is right here. Okay, and now coming to the css part of this page. So this is the cell container. This is the car details and everything right in the middle. It styles this part. So the background, here we have done we have given a body, a flex element, and then justified everything right in the center so that it displays every time in the right in the center. And we have given a border radius box shadow so that it feels like it's levitating. Then width of 400 pixel and everything. Then and this is the background image that we used. In the images folder we have this car art.jpg image for this cell container, and also for this background image of this page. Then this is for the heading, h4 heading, this cell car heading. And then header, this is the styling for header, the car details. Then form, we have given I have given a padding of 30 pixel top and bottom, and 40 pixel left and right for this form, so that it has a space over here and at the top. And a label font weight of 450. Then lastly here the styling for button is mentioned. So these are all the styles. This is the background color, and border of the same color as of the button, and the color of the font, it is a white color right here. Then font size is 16. And rest of the things like padding, it's given a padding of 10 pixels so that it has some space right in the middle.
Hello sir, my name is Khan Shayan Shakil. I am from TE Computers. My roll number is 3118030. My group member consists of Khan Yusuf Ali with roll number 31, Masala Wala Murtaza Shabbir, roll number 33, Momin Umar Shehzad, roll number 34, and Qazi Faizan Ahmad, roll number 39. Our project title is Car Buying and Selling Website. The technology used by me in this project is nothing but Bootstrap, which is a material user interface. Bootstrap is a potent front-end framework used to create modern websites and web apps. It's open source and free to use, yet features numerous HTML and CSS templates for user interface elements such as buttons and frames. Bootstrap also supports JavaScript extensions. This is our website. I'm going to tell you the pages that I have made. The pages that I have made are car buying pages. These car buying pages are classified into two categories, that is new cars and used cars. In buying cars, we have used the cards template from the Bootstrap, and then we have applied my CSS properties to it. Each card in both the pages, as you can see, the cards in both the pages has an image of the car available for trade. In buying the new car, along with the image of the car, its model, fuel type, price and number of seats are present in the car is mentioned, whereas in used car, along with it, it also contains the year in which it was bought and the distance traveled by the car. Along with all the cards and description, the page also contains a nav bar and a footer. In footer, we have used CSS animations in order to draw the attention of user and to give our website a fun touch. CSS animations are nothing but an element gradually changing from one style to the other. In order to use CSS animation, one must first specify some keyframe for animation. Now, along with CSS style of my page, my style sheet also contains media queries. Media queries is a feature of CSS3 allowing content rendering to adapt to different conditions such as screen resolution. We have used media queries for targeting three range of devices, that is mobile, desktop and tablet. The orientation of the website will change according to the size of our screen. Now let's go into the code. As you can see, this is the code for our new car page where you can buy the new cars. In this, as you can see, we have used different containers, different classes. First is the container. We have given it the margin of 5 from y-axis of 4. Then this class row mb2 signifies that in a particular row of the grid system, bootstrap grid system, in this only two cards will be present at a time. As you can see in our website, there are only two cards present. Then we have a class column md6. This specifies the size of those cards. These size will occupy 6 positions, that is 50% of the 12 layer grid system. So 6%, so basically this will occupy 50% and this card will occupy the remaining 50%. Now here we have mentioned all the descriptions of the cars, and also the image of and the location of the image is given in the cellcar.html. The same thing is done. The only the difference in those two cars is the difference of the cars. Now as you can see, there is a code for the navbar and also the code for our footer. Now we will go to our newscar.css, new old car.css. In this, as you can see, we have used one hover property cursor pointer. Whenever you will hover over this cars, it will turn into a pointer. This is one of our css property we have used. And then we have the padding we have given to the to our page. And then background color we have set to white. Actually it's not white, it's e to eb. Then footer logos, left, middle, right, these are the paddings of the footer. These are the paddings, these are the css properties of the footer we have used in our page. Then we have new link hover. When you will hover over the nav bar, you can see that it turns black. So this is another hover property that we have used. First one of the hover properties when we are using over the cards, and the second hover property is for the when we are hovering over the nav bar. So basically these are two of my pages that I have developed along using Bootstrap and with the help of my friends. Thank you.
Hello, myself Masalala Murtaza Shabdir from third year computers, and my roll number is 3118033. My group consists of these 5 members which are in front of you: Khan Shayan Shakil 3118030, Khan Yusuf Ali 3118031, myself Momin Omar Shahzad 3118034, Qazi Faizan Ahmad 3118039. My group of WTL project have made a website named Car Buying and Selling. So as you can see, this is our Cars24 website. So this is our Cars24 website. So I'm going to explain you the contact page of this website. Here I can click the website, contact us for more. Now this is the contact page. Contacting is communicating to a person or a group of people in order to give or receive information. Here we have a contact page, contact us for more, where you can drop a message by to ask or inquire about the cars which you have to buy or sell by mentioning your name, email address, your phone number, and drop a message so we can acknowledge you as soon as possible. Let's methodology. We have used HTML, and this is the HTML code. Navbar is basically user interface element that contains link to other sections. For example, when I click, this is a navbar, okay, the highlighted one. So if I will click on home, it will take me to the home page. See, this is the home page. And if I click on this sell cars, then it will take me to the sell cars page. So this navbar does. Now classes in these classes are included in the navbar. A class is basically is an attribute which specifies one or more class names for an HTML element. Now let's start. This is nav class, as I earlier explained you. This is the class. This is the image src image source. This tag is used to put an image in the HTML page. This is the height mention. Now these are the tags nav item, which contains a home page. This is the home page. This is, as you can see, the highlighted one. This is the sell car button, where you can go and sell a car, book a car. This is a class for buy cars, and this is for about us page. This is, yeah, yes, this is for about us. Now this is a division class where divided. This is the highlighted one, which is the contact form of container, which it is in the container. This is the footer, as you can see this. Footer has a division class under a footer top. This is the footer top. In this you have a class container, where you can have this. So this is the footer of the contact page. You can click on these icons to visit us on any of the social media. This is home, new cars, used cars, sell cars, about us, contact us. These all will take us to the respective page. Now let's see the CSS part, style sheet. Now this is basically the styling of the web page, contact us of the contact us page, which is can be done by cascading style sheet CSS. Here's the contact form, where the background color is here is white, and here the header, that is this is of blue color. Text alignment inside is a drop message.
This is Umar Momin from TECOM, roll number 3118034. For the mini project of web development, our team has selected a topic, car buying and selling. These are my team members: Khan Shayan 30, Khan Yusuf 31, Masala Wala Murtaza 33, and Kazi Faizan 39. Now let's take a look at the website which we have created. So this is the website. Each member has assigned different tasks to perform. Now let's take a look at the About Us section, which was created by me. This is the page which was created by me. Now let's take the HTML file of the About Us section. This is the navigation bar code. Link for the selling car, or new car, used car, and etc. These are some of the images of team members, and their details are given below. These are the details. This is the address of our website, phone number, and email ID for the contact. And some details about the website. This is the CSS file.